Welcome to Royal Math Podcast, Lesson 1-3, Adding with Fractions. Here we have 11 1/2 plus 7/8. So the first thing we must do whenever we add or subtract fractions is we need to have common denominators. So we look at this and we decide, what can we use for a common denominator? One easy way to find a common denominator if a solution isn't present is to simply multiply both of the denominators by each other. But luckily we know 2 goes into 8, so it's going to make it a lot easier for us. So how many times can 2 go into 8? It goes into it 4 times. But before we can convert it, we must first go ahead and make the entire problem a fraction instead of a mixed number. So first things first, we multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 11 times 2 is 22. Now we're going to add that number to the numerator. 22 plus 1 is 23 over 2 plus 7/8. So now we're going to go ahead and make the common denominator. So we know that 2 goes into 8 4 times. Therefore, we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and work this underneath here. So 2 times 4 is, of course, 8. 23 times 4. So if I do 23, and I have to multiply it by 4, 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus the 1 is 92. So 23 over 2 is the same as 92 over 8. And of course, we're going to add that to 7/8. So now that they're the common denominators, all we have to do is add the numerators together and, of course, keep the denominator. So we know it's going to end up being over 8. So 92 plus 7 is 99. So 99 over 8. But we can reduce that because we know 8 can go into 99. So let's go ahead and see how many times 8 can go into 99. So here's 99 inside the house, and we're going to divide it by 8. Because the numerator always gets divided by the denominator. So 8 goes into 9 one time, 1 times 8. Bring down the 9. 8 goes into 19 twice, with a remainder of 3. So 3 is going to be our new numerator, 8 is going to be our denominator. So this equals 12 and 3/8. And that is how we add fractions together.